So this is a conversation, right, that we're having, just directly you and me. As a new brand creator, it's okay to start small and talk to a niche audience. This is Ricky Ramos Brand Consulting, and I'm Ricky Ramos. Are we ready? So here we go. You already launched your brand. Now how do you get your brand recognized? The first step is design. It needs to stand out from the aisle and the e-commerce if you're a product, and your website and digital platforms if you're a service. Design plays a key role, so keep in mind your layout, color palette, and all the assets need to align with your target. Today, shoppers and consumers, they don't like marketing lingo. They don't like fancy words that we've been using in the past. Don't do that mistake. They want clear and straight messages. So there's a thing called the no bullshit approach in packaging and in your audience. So a no bullshit approach in your packaging is basically standing out with a clear message and being able to be recognized quickly. For example, boxed water, which was, it's in its name, it's a boxed water. The first cardboard water in an aisle filled with plastic bottles. It stood out with a no bullshit approach because it was clearly just that message. It was just water in a box. So a no bullshit approach to our target or an audience is to start with a niche. Why? Because a niche is probably an audience similar to you. It's somebody that you clearly know, a small set of individuals. A target is a big audience. You definitely want to target, but later on in your brand process. First start with a niche, people that you know, and then you can talk to and have a differentiated set of lifestyle assets. And for example, RX Bars spoke directly to a niche. They were two friends creating these protein bars in their basement. It's always a basement. These two friends created no bullshit protein bars with 4 ingredients because they couldn't find it in the aisle. And these days, Kellogg's bought them for $200 million because they valued the niche and the audience they were speaking to. So what I want to leave here in this video is that you don't need to be loud to stand out anymore. All you have to do is understand your vision, have a great, clear packaging, and speak to a specific niche. Know your audience. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it interesting, don't forget to like and share so we can get our ideas out there and reach more people. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get updates on when we release new content. And if you like extra tips and tricks, be sure to check the links below and follow me on all my social networks to stay updated with all the new content we put out there every week. I'm Ricky Ramos, coming to you from some exciting place in the world. See you soon.